Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Julian De La Cruz, 36 years old, married with one son, aged 11 years old. I live in Barangay Taft, Tapas, Capiz. I have one brother, two sisters. I am vocational graduate of Caregiver and Advanced Technology.
Okay, so you're a caregiving graduate. Do you have any experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. First, I work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper to a couple with 7 years old kid.
Okay, how long was that in Hong Kong?
I worked there for only 4 months only.
Okay, what did you do there?
I work all the household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing clothes, and washing. But my main duty is to take good care of the kids.
Okay, why is it is only 4 months in Hong Kong?
I did not finish my contract because the one who took good care of my son is dead.
Okay, your nanny died, in short. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second, do you have any experience in other country?
Yes, ma'am. Second, ma'am, I work in Turkey for 2 years to a couple with 2 kids aged 4 to 2 years old.
What do you mean? 4 and 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so couple with a 2 and 4 years
Yes,
old.
ma'am.
Okay, what did you do there for 2 years in Turkey?
I do all the household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing clothes, and washing. But my main duty is to take good care of the kids.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking mom, honest and responsible person.
Do you have any surgical operation before?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am.
I will repeat the question. Okay, do you have any surgical operation
Yes,
before?
ma'am. I had CS 11 years ago.
Okay, why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to be able to send my son to school and to build a house for my family.
Okay, if you get hired, who will take care this time of your kid?
My sister.
Okay, so there will be a nanny right
Yes,
now.
yes,
Okay.
my sister.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working there?
I usually sleep like 11 o'clock after work and I wake up around 5 o'clock in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing there?
Yes, ma'am.
In Hong Kong kids, the kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more understanding and patient to them, ma'am.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my job and then I will think that this job is for my family.
Okay, do you have any allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visit the parents, relative, and friends of your employer, will you help them and do some household chores
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
If the baby is sick, ma'am, I will check the temperature of the baby, and when the baby is sick, I will call the employer.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
I have 2 hands, the left and the right, holding apart, so clean and bright. Clap them softly. 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Okay, can you please say something to your future employer?
Good morning, ma'am and sir. I hope you will select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person.
Okay.
I promise to serve your family all my best. Thank you, ma'am and sir.